Hey everyone, Carrie back here with Family eBiz, where we help families stop the overwhelm, get online, and start making money so you can find freedom in your life. Today, what I'm going to talk to you are about holiday sales. Why? Well, I'm a little bit late, but tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So you may not be able to do what I'm talking about for Valentine's Day, but you could choose some other holidays through the year. Too often, I think what we usually do is we just go, oh, Christmas, it's a holiday, so I'm going to have a sale. Or Thanksgiving. That's about the main times that we think about this. And yet you look at brick and mortar business, a lot of them have Labor Day sales, Memorial Day sales, and Fourth of July sales. They may have spring and Easter sales, Mother's Day, Father. They got all the sales. Now, I'm not saying you should have that many sales. I personally think you need to sell things for what they're worth. But there are some things that you could do and some creative things for different holidays. And what I'm going to do today, I was counting five, six, I have 8 ideas for you that you can use the holidays to make extra money. So let's just dive in. The first one is to actually use major holidays. So I am going to do this, which I already have set things up for St. Patrick's Day next month. But you want a lead magnet, a freebie that I could be offering right now, which is my Lucky Charms graphing activity, completely free. You might offer a printable, a checklist, a masterclass. You might do podcasts about that holiday, write blog posts about it. But whatever it is, you want to lead to a holiday product that has some special bonuses that are just there for a limited time. This would also include a bump or an upsell or a downsell once they get into the checkout. Some of the holidays that I personally use for the rest of the year are St. Patrick's Day. We will go with the Lucky Charms and upsell them, tripwire them into our St. Patrick's Day writing activities. So that would be one. Easter is a big one for me. My lead magnet for Easter is a free masterclass that leads into my Easter packet. That main idea is skies of the cross and the blood moon. Back to school. Reformation Day is another one that I have because I have a specific product. Christmas and Advent, same thing. I do a master class leads in to my Celebrate Christmas bundle. And the last one I do is Thanksgiving. I do it, this is sort of cool, but a lot of work. We do 30 days of thanks, and I get guest bloggers. They all contribute a blog post, but I offer that for free with a challenge. And then I have products for sale throughout the month of November. So first, you can use major holidays. Secondly, you can use unique, fun holidays that pertain to your niche. And so one of them this week on February 11th is Women and Girls in Science Day. This would be awesome, especially if you're in the homeschool niche, and especially if you have some science products. So you talk about this, you write some blog posts, maybe offer some podcasts, but you want to offer a lead magnet that would lead into some sort of science product that you would already have, hopefully. Some of these may be specific funnels that you don't have and you're going to create as well. One thing we did, we've done some different ones, but there's like National Chocolate Day or Ladybug Day is in June. I think it's June 2nd. And I actually have a ladybug unit study with a freebie that leads into the entire ladybug unit study. So that would be something to do. Use unique fun ones, your regular old major ones, your unique fun ones. Next, you might have a digital bonus bonanza on a holiday. Or if you have physical products, you could bundle them together. But what does this mean? They can be related to the holiday, or maybe you're just going to bundle them all together and discount them a little bit. So you might package together an ebook or some courses, printables, audios, videos for a specific holiday. They don't have to be around that topic. You're just going to say Mother's Day, and then you're going to give them 5 products that are normally in your store for, say, $100. Maybe you're going to offer it to them for $75. You can, if you're going to do this, I would make some creative graphics and use the holiday itself and push it by the holiday somehow into the bundle. The main thing is you want to emphasize how these resources can help them, how they can simplify. If it is holiday related, maybe you want to show them how it can simplify their life, their family for that holiday. So another one is a digital bonus bonanza, unique fun holidays, major holidays. All right, holiday themed landing page. So even if your item is not holiday related, you can make it special for that sale and then create a new landing page, say springtime and I don't know, gardening or whatever, but you could change everything on there to spring flowers or April showers, bring May flowers. Maybe for Valentine's, love is in the air. Don't you just love? And then you put whatever your topic is, whatever your niche is. The one thing is you want to make sure on all of these is to have a clear call to action. And I would say if you're going to do a promotion like this, I would have a special bonus holiday just for that special. You might don't even have to reduce the price. You might just use the theme and then throw in extra bonus just for that 1 week. Next, you might want to give limited time access to your membership or your premium areas, just a temporary access so they can taste it. You might give some exclusive webinars for a week, podcast episodes, bonus course material that they wouldn't normally get, but it gives them a little taste of your membership or of your product. And that you would need to, obviously, you'll have to have an email system and promote whatever the sale is, whatever that product is, but give them temporary access, say for 7 days, to whatever your membership is or whatever that product is. Next, affiliates. How could you use holidays for affiliates? Maybe during a holiday, you're going to partner with affiliates who cater to your niche by offering them higher commissions during that holiday season. And then you would give them holiday themed marketing materials, things that would resonate with your niche. So for me, I would maybe do something themed. Like we do this with Christmas and Easter. And basically, I'm like, if you will, do these one, two, or three things will increase your commissions to 50% instead of 40%. So that means there's some skin in the game. They actually have to do something like send two dedicated emails. And if that's not for them, that's fine. I'm just looking for people that would like to promote something, say for a week or 2 weeks, and then I can give them higher commissions and I can give them some special marketing materials as well. Next, you could have a social media countdown campaign. And I've seen this a lot at Christmas time, 12 days of holiday deals. We do this with our 30 days of thanks. Every day in November, we have a new blog post. And so you could do that. You could use your blog or you could use your podcast, but you would advertise it on your social media channels. And you might feature a different digital product each day for 12 days or different bonus content. So if you buy on this day, you get this, but it's gone in 24 hours. That would be a way to encourage some sales and do maybe a contest throughout those, whatever it is. I'm just using 12 days of holiday deals. You might include some interactive polls to holiday traditions, that type of thing. Even 4th of July. I mean, our family gets together on an annual basis, 4th of July. That may sound strange, but we've been doing that since my kids were little. They're in their middle 30s now. So I have done freedom sales the week of 4th of July, and I can tie it into my own personal family tradition. So, and it might be just 5 days of something. So there's something. Again, major holidays, fun, unique holidays, digital bonus bonanza, holiday themed landing pages, limited time premium access. Your affiliates, give them a boost, social media countdown. And then the last one is collaborative giveaways. Several of you have done this. You've hosted one or you participated in one, but you would team up with other product creators or influencers in your niche for a joint holiday giveaway. We do this with Sarah Avila in the homeschool market for Christmas, Mother's Day, and back to school. Those are three sort of general holidays. And so we will create a prize. Now, ours are usually $100 or $200 gift card. And so that's something because if you can get 25 people together and they all donate $25 all of a sudden, and you've got, well, I can't do the math. That's like a bunch of money, 500 something. Anyway, you can do that. And then you have to decide how are they going to enter. I actually just participated in one this past month on a winter wonder giveaway. And it was a challenge for 5 days. And we all pitched in a prize. And then our benefit is we received the names of the people that joined or that took the challenge as well. So you want to make sure you have some sort of prizes in this giveaway. Look at your niche, look, or you just may want to give gift cards away. Make sure whatever you're doing aligns with your target audience and you find people in that same target audience. This is collaboration, not competition. And then for as a collaborator, as the person that's putting it on, maybe you have a giveaway, something special for everyone that entered for just 2 days after the giveaway's over. And that would increase some sales as well. So there's a lot there. There's 8 fun ideas that you could use the holidays, which I was thinking about Valentine's tomorrow. Excuse me, to help you get organized. Now, this is more of a marketing roadmap, but I do have a business marketing roadmap. You could use this to plan out your year and see, you could print them out because you just print them out for each quarter and you can sort of organize which quarter would I want to do some holiday promotions? Which holiday would I like to give an incentive to my affiliates, that type of thing. And you can get that at familyebiz.com/roadmap. So thank you so much. If you are listening to this, be sure to subscribe. But even more importantly, if you can leave a comment and let us know how you might use holidays to earn extra money. That would be awesome. And we can collaborate and see and share some ideas. We're not all in the same niche anyway. And those of you that are, I love collaboration. So let's just talk. Thanks so much for spending time with me. I'm Carrie Beck with Family eBiz. We'll talk to you next time.